Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making a simple and delicious tuna salad. Let's get cooking. Start by adding two 12-ounce cans of tuna into a large bowl. Next, add in some diced red onion. Go ahead and add some diced green onion. Now toss in some diced celery. Season it with black pepper. Now, add in a couple spoonfuls of mayonnaise. Mix everything together, and if it looks a little dry, just add more mayonnaise until it's nice and creamy. Once everything is mixed, stir in 16 ounces of cooked medium pasta shells. Season with black pepper. Now add in some nature's seasoning for extra flavor. Season with a dash of parsley. Finish it off with a few spoonfuls of mayonnaise on top. From here, mix it all together, and if it looks a bit dry, just add extra mayonnaise until it's nice and creamy. After that, cover and refrigerate until it's nicely chilled. Once it's chilled, you're ready to enjoy a simple and delicious tuna salad. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and tasty dishes. See you next time.